As you can see, I have a boring cube right in front of me. But if I do this, and then this, and then this, and then finally this, you can see that we already have something which looks like a window or a door. Hey YouTube, this is Saurabh. Welcome to my YouTube video, and in today's video, we'll be learning about the tool Inset. So, what is an inset? Inset creates a smaller face within your selected face while creating a border for it. And the shortcut is the letter I. So you go to edit mode, select face mode, select the face, hit the key I, and there you go. That's an inset. So you see how it created a smaller face with my selected face, but now we even have a border around it. Now, many beginners would ask, why not just scale the face? If you scale a face, it literally scales the only active face selected. Whereas when you inset a face, it selects deactivated face and creates brand new geometry. That's the main difference. A handy tool with Inset is if you have selected multiple faces, let's say you want to make like a keyboard, right? If you select multiple faces and press the letter I, it insets the whole group. And if you want to be quick and you want individual faces to be selected, press I again. So that's double I. So I'm just going to press I again, and there you go. It shifts from one full collection to individual faces. Check this out. Now I just scale this a little bit, just like that. Rotate my view, press G and Z to pull out, and there you go. You literally have keyboard keys done in 2 seconds. And now, finally, the most used operation is inset with extrude. When these two are combined, you can do doors, frames, panels, vents, every single thing, screens, in really less amount of time. So that would be selecting all your faces, which you want to inset. I'm going to double press I. And if I press double I, there you go. And once the inset is complete and the faces are selected, press E. And now you literally extrude the faces. So I can extrude them inside just like that. And then what I'm going to do is press I again, give them a little bit of border, press E to extrude them outwards, I to make them really small like that, or maybe I could just give it like a frame and then extrude it again, and there you go. Look at that. And just by pressing 2 keys and just moving my mouse, I can get these complex shapes, right? And you can make buildings, you can make windows, really simple, very easy. And there you go. That's how you use inset and extrude together. Now, in real time, let's model something. So I'm just going to add a plane and scale it on the x-axis. Go into tab, press R, and then give it maybe, loops like that, and give it maybe loops like this. Now, what you can do is go to edge selection mode, select the edges you do not want and dissolve them so that it gives you a huge face, right? And you can do that to multiple ones. So let me just dissolve that over here, and let me just dissolve that maybe, or let's do just that, right? Press 3, select all, press I, and look at that, guys. Just with that, right? You have so many faces which just get created instantly, right? And then I'm gonna move them up like that. There you go. And if I select this, which is the border edge, I'm going to extrude this, press a Z to snap it to Z. I'm gonna bring that down just like so. And then I'm going to hit the letter F to fill this. And then I'm going to go to face selection mode, select this ring of faces, press E to extrude, S to scale this out just like that, and scale it on the Y to just match the width, and there you go, right? And then press Ctrl R to give this a border, go to face selection mode, select this ring of faces, press E, which extrudes this, and there you go, guys. I literally have a keyboard done. Who is using this keyboard? What is even... Right. And with that, the video ends. That's the tool Inset. I hope it helps you with all your creative journey. And if you like videos like this, please follow and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Saru Vijeta signing out. Bye-bye.